So while it may seem silly and it may seem like a no-brainer, trust me when I tell you, bring extra toiletries with you on board the cruise ship, because believe me, you don't want to have to buy them from the ship's store. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, we are on day 27, 27 more days till our next cruise. And today's cruise tip is going to be bring extra toiletries on board the cruise ship. So this is what I mean. Bring some extra toothpaste, bring extra deodorant. If you normally get headaches, bring some kind of medication for your headache. Bring seasickness medication. I highly recommend you bring antacid, Rolaids, Tums, or something like that, particularly if you have never been on a cruise before, because you're going to eat some very rich food, probably quite a bit of food like most of us do, and you may have some stomach issues, heartburn, something like that. So definitely bring those with you. Don't forget your seasickness pills. Pack a little bit of extra of everything. Even if you think there's just a chance you might use it, go ahead and pack it. And the reason being, so you go down to your local store, your Walmart, your Target, your grocery store, and you buy, let's say, a bottle of headache medication, $2, $3, $4 at your store. We'll get that same headache on a cruise ship and not have this stuff. And sometimes you can go to medical and get it. But if you have to go to the shop on board the ship and get this same headache medication, $10, $15 for the same thing, and probably a less amount. Things on cruise ships are way more expensive when it comes to toiletry items. Things like sunscreen, headache medication, heartburn pills, seasickness pills, just about anything you can think of. They probably will have something on the ship you can use, Pepto-Bismol, whatever the case may be. But if this is something that you normally use, something that you think you may use, pack extra of it in your toiletries bag. Have it with you when you get on the cruise ship in case they don't have it, or in case you don't want to pay those extra high prices that they are definitely going to charge you for this. So the cruise tip of the day, pack extra toiletry items just in case. A lot of this stuff, if you cruise pretty regularly, doesn't necessarily go bad in just a couple of weeks. You can always use it on your next cruise if you didn't use it on this one. All right, I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, let's give it 2 thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.